Hi there, this is Ben with Easy Mode Media, the solar marketing specialists. Now, today I wanted to shoot a quick video talking about solar lead gen and the wealth of scammers out there. Let's jump right into it. If you own a solar company, you obviously need leads, and you're more than going to be more than familiar with scammers in the marketplace. Go into a Facebook group, type in solar scammers or scam, and there's just going to be post after post. These three screenshots took me about a minute to find. There's that many of them. Um, if you're buying solar leads out there, obviously you know this can be a painful experience, right? So you've whether or not you've been burned by a lead agency before, there's several different types of scams, quote unquote scams out there, whether or not they are a true scam or they just didn't give you the leads, the quality that they said they were going to do. Two different things, but it's common. So if you're doing the same thing over and over, you're going to a different lead gen, getting the same result, then going to social media to complain and blacklist the scammer before they get anyone else. It's There's a lot of uncertainty about growing your solar company, right? You need consistent leads and you need someone that delivers. And that's where the solar industry needs to change. You need to stop paying into these guys because all they're doing is selling the leads to you and 10 other companies. And by the time you get on the phone with them or try and set an appointment or knock on their door or whatever, they've already been contacted by however many solar companies. So do you really think that is going to sell? Like this whole concept of aged leads, or we'll sell you a lead list. And then, the next day, the next week, the next month, doesn't matter, but you always see these people coming back and complaining that, well, I've been done by another scammer. So if you're doing the same thing over and over and not getting results, something needs to change, right? In fact, one of my clients actually told me today, before they joined up with me for my SEO services, they had spent about $5,000 to $6,000 on a lead gen agency, got hundreds of leads, and not one of them closed. Imagine spending thousands and thousands of dollars and getting no return on investment for it. And then the agency just up and closed. Kind of like what this pink image is saying. You know, that you're giving these leads upfront. So you pay for them upfront, you contact them, nothing closes. People don't even answer. The information's wrong. They've been contacted by 10 other solar companies. I wouldn't be a good fit when 10 companies are calling me for a solar system. So something has to change. And if something doesn't change, you're going to be on these groups looking for just that next solar marketer that can provide you quick leads, and then you'll be back here in a week, a month, looking for more leads. So something has to change. Whether or not that is your company goes out of business because you don't have solar leads, you just can't find solar leads consistently, or you look elsewhere. So there's plenty of ways that solar marketers like myself get consistent solar leads and booked jobs, right? From different types. There is Facebook ads, there's Google ads. I see great results from SEO. So this is example data from actually one of my live campaigns with a lot of, uh, you know, sensitive information blocked out. But you can see in September 19th, 2023 to October 18th, 2023, this one client had 278 calls and 37 forms. That is 315 leads. And from Google, we had 112 and 125 leads all up from Google. From Google Business Profile, we had 36 leads and a whole bunch of other different leads. So 36 leads, 125, about 170, 180 leads coming from Google search results. So SEO, people typing in solar contractor near me, solar contractor, all that kind of stuff. If you're tired of buying lead lists and getting burned over and over and over, you have to start looking somewhere else. You have to look for an alternative way to generate consistent solar leads, or you're going to go under. It's simple as that. If you don't have the leads, the cash flow coming in that actually book jobs with you, customers that book jobs, you're not going to be around. So if you're serious about growing your solar company and you need consistent solar leads, you've got a company, an installation crew ready to take on more solar installations, get in touch. We'll show you exactly how it works on our back end, how we provide consistent and exclusive solar leads through Google search, through free traffic coming from Google search, not ads. We can do ads, but we typically focus on SEO because it is very consistent. So if that does sound of interest to you, book in a call. You can go to easymodemedia.com, click book in a call. We'll jump on a call together. I'll show you exactly how all this works and why we offer guarantees around everything that we do, because we do get great results and we can actually show you the data like I just showed you before of where your leads are coming in and basically how you're booking jobs, what part of your website. So if that does interest you, I'll talk to you soon. Thank you.